the Mahindra Thar. This has to be the most popular car launch of 2020. Huge demand for this vehicle. The bookings went through the roof. In fact, we have a lot of videos around the Thar on our channel, from the popular fuel economy run to the bottle vibration test to how to engage the 4x4, a proper detailed review, off-roading and so on. The links to all those videos are currently in the description section below. I really urge you to watch all those videos after you're done with this one. Now, we are at Bimbra 4x4. It is the best name in the world of SUV modifications. If you have an SUV, you have a 4x4 like the old Thar, the new Thar or Isuzu or so and so, and you want to pep up your 4x4, you know whom to contact if you're in North India. Their contact details are currently in the description section below. You can call them, take our reference and possibly get a better deal as well. Now back to the main idea of the video. I think this has to be one of the first few modified 2020 Thars that we have got news of in the last few days. There are a few changes. Are the changes good enough and what are they? Well, let's start with the video.
Before I start with the details, we are in an industrial area, so you will have some noises coming in the backdrop from the factory, so I'm sorry for that. First thing first, this one what we have with us is the manual diesel version. I think very popular with people who want a stick shift. Yeah, that's a manual version. It's a 4x4. Interiors are completely stock apart from one change which I'll show you after I'm done with the exteriors. There is a change at the back which basically adds to the convenience factor. Yeah, and there are a few things which the owner has got from the showroom. You have the chrome door handles, you have the chrome Thar branding over here, you have these sun visors which are very useful, especially in the rains. You can just lower your window down and have the air coming in. So these are from the showroom level. Again, the chrome for the DRLs. So yeah, this is not from Bimbra, it's from the showroom level. This one and this one, and of course the chrome cover for your tail lights. I really love the branding which I've spoken about in my detailed review. So the chrome thing is from the showroom. But you know what happens is that the Thar is a lifestyle vehicle. People really want to experiment with it. They want to go off-roading, stream crossing, Ladakh, Spiti and so on, and that is where the stock bumper was not the best option. Now I do agree, because of Indian regulations, the pedestrian norms and so on, manufacturers have to make sure that whatever they make and sell has to be legal, but that doesn't go down well with your off-roading buddies, because the stock bumper is not metal. It sort of exposes the under part as well. So this is something we see as the most essential part in any 4x4. You need to have a bumper which can take on hits, and this is what Bimbra has done, especially for the new Thar, in terms of the mounting points, in terms of the design, where it fits in. And of course this is complete metal. It is the metal one. In fact, the older one, in one of our reviews, in the walk-around review, I had mentioned that the under part was not metal. That is not the case with it. So you have a metal bumper over here, you have metal protection at the lower part, which of course gives you the much needed protection for your radiator. There have been some cases where the radiator got damaged because of off-roading, but this one will definitely give it some good protection in this particular vehicle. You also have these purposeful looking heavy hooks, which of course come handy when you want to pull out someone, you want to tow out someone. On both the ends, they do look very cool from a distance, and they are functional as well. Very good point is that Bimbra has not moved away from the stock fog lamp, so your electricals are not altered. This is the actual stock fog lamp which fits in over here. Good fit and finish. They also have powder finish for the bumpers, which they will be offering on the other Thars. There is one being made inside. We will get to that as well, but this one finish is nice. Another very useful thing is that the bumper also comes with these proper metal attachments. You can use these to put your winch. Winches are very useful when you are outside alone in the unknown, or you want to help others to get out of a sticky situation. So these are the mounting points for your winch. Top marks to Bimbra for that. Of course this one also and the fog lamps. The second change you will notice is the new grille. Now this is something that we saw coming out even before the launch of the vehicle. There were grille designs coming out, and this is one of the options that you can pick. I think it gels in very well. The black and red gels in very well with the entire stance of the vehicle. A close-up is the red grille over here. I think top-notch paint quality is really superb, and you have black on the outside side. So this again is a different aesthetic path in this part in this particular Thar. This and this really make it stand out from a distance. Of course, the new Thar does not come with you LED lights, all the LED DRLs over here like this. This is again an add-on, and I think looks cool in my opinion. I would want to know your feedback on this as well in the comment section below. So I'm done with the front of the vehicle. Gonna show you how this has actually increased the approach angle. If you go down, you can make out that they have tried to go as high as possible to give you the maximum possible approach angle, and I think it works. Just look at this. Really gives you an added advantage when you're off the road, you want to climb up a stone. I think gives you a massive advantage over the normal one. So costing is not out, they are still building these for others, but yeah, in a few days time you can probably call them on the number which is in the description section below. They will give you the costing for both the bumper and the grille as well. Apart from this, the vehicle is stock, a few chrome add-ons by the owner, but the vehicle is stock. The rear bumper has not been altered with, but again you will have provisions from Bimbra to putting tow hooks at the back. You want to attach a trailer as well, those attachments will come in, provisions will be made. They are under development right now at Bimbra's setup in Gurgaon. There is a useful add-on on the inside of the Thar. What is it? Well, let's have a look. I think this is the best way to show you what has changed. I love this cool opening rear glass. So what has changed is that the overall comfort levels have gone up massively in the new Thar. From your headroom to your comfort levels, these are the front facing seats, but these are not standard. Now of course, because you have so much space on the right side which gives you extra shoulder space, very cool and thoughtful add-on by Bimbra are these armrests. So if I'm sitting on the left side, this is my armrest over here, and it has more practicality which I'm going to show you in a while. The left armrest, the right one, they are manufacturing other kind of armrest which will give you lockable storage space. They will give you a USB charging outlets. They are under development, but again once they are made, I will be shooting those and getting them to you as well. Let me now come in from the front and show you the actual practicality of the armrest. Let me get in from the front. Yeah, so you have your place to keep probably a cell phone over here and a coffee mug over here, and if you open this, you have more storage space. Again, these are the first proper made armrest. More work is going on to give them a lockable function over here and to give you some charging outlets, so you can sit in over here as a rear passenger, have your coffee and charge your phone as well. Interiors otherwise are not altered. You have these mounted speakers which we have spoken about earlier. This is the right armrest, and yeah, really cool feature. I think otherwise the Thar is completely loaded up with your features, the touchscreen infotainment system, the driver info display. Again, a proper video is there on our channel on the features of this screen, features of the speedo console, the buttons. You can see that there is a proper video on the functioning of the 4x4 lever. You can see that. So we have not left any stone unturned to give you a proper insight into the Thar. And I think this is the first ever detailed video on the modifications made, the armrest, the front bumper and the front grille.